स्वामी बल महाराज की जय भक्ति
गौरचंद्राय राधिकायै तदालय कृष्णाय कृष्ण भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो नमः नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्ण प्रेमव्रताय कृष्णाय कृष्णाय भक्ताय तद्भक्ताय नमो महावदन्नाय कृष्णदाय कृष्णाय कृष्ण चैतन्य हे कृष्ण करुणा सिंधु दीनबन्धु जगत्पते गोपीश गोपिकान्त राधा कान्त नमोस्तुते राधे वृंदावनेश्वरी वृषभानुसुते देवी प्रणमामि हरे कृष्ण ओम वृंदावै तुलसी देवी प्रिया केशवस्य कृष्ण भक्ति प्रदे देवी सत्तवती नमो नमः
Radio.
Yeah, we have all the devices. Direct.
Qual canal?
107.
First of all, I offer my humble, respectful obeisances unto the lotus feet of my Guru Padma, Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtudara Satmar Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj, and Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtudara Satmar Bhakti Vedanta Silavan Goswami Maharaj. Simultaneously offer my humble respect to the Lord pranam. Lotus feet of Nitya-lila Pravishtam Vishnupad, Ashtudara Satmar Bhakti Vedanta Swami Maharaj, Srila Guru Gandha Goswami Maharaj, Srila Bhakti Rakhak, Siddhar Goswami Bhakti Puri Goswami Maharaj, and all senior devotees and all Vaishnava very presented all of my respectful guests. So continue. We also discuss Madhurya Kadambini, composed by Vishwanath Chakravarti. Yesterday we also discussed how an ordinary sadhaka, step by step, develop his sadhana and bhajan and attain his highest perfection goal. First you determine your goal, what you want. That is called Purushartha, Dharma, Artha, Kama, Moksha. This is not our supreme goal, Purushartha. Dharma means religion. Dharma, Artha means economical development. Dharma, Artha, Kama means different kinds of sense gratification. And also Mukti, not our ultimate goal. Our ultimate goal, Krishna Prema. Right? So, and this Krishna Prema also, in Golok Vrindavan, I also explained three very prominent. That is called Sakha, Vatsal and Madhurya Bhava. Friendship mode with Krishna. Parental mode with Krishna, that is called Vatsala Bhava, and Madhurya Bhava, conjugal mode with Krishna. But the Gaudiya Vaishnava, their aim and object, those who have especially come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, how we get the Radha Dasa, how to become the maid servant of Srimati Radhika. Because before you have to sadhana and bhajan, have to fix your goal. If you have no goal, no aim in life, you cannot to achieve your perfection, you cannot develop your life. So that is called aim of life. Jivan Kyodesha. Tap it, they have to want. So in the same way, our spiritual teachers, masters, they explain this. First to fix your mind about your goal. Then you do bhajan and sadhana, that is called practice. So now our aim and goal is how to attain Radha Dasa, the mention of Srimati Radhika. So now coming in this way, yesterday we also explained Brahmanda Brahmite Kono Bhagavan Ji, Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai, Bhakti Lata Bij. Mali Hanya Sai Bij Kare Aropan, Sravan Kirtan Jare Karoi Sechana. Pondering the cycle of limited birth and death, extreme fortune, living entity, take shelter lotus feet of Guru and receive Harinam Diksha Mantra. Then slowly he will attain his perfection. And so Brahmanda Brahmite Bhagavan Ji, Guru Krishna Prasadi Pai, Bhakti Lata Bij. Yesterday I told Bhakti Lata Bij, the seed of Bhakti Lata. What is that? Korean. Huh? That is called Krishna Seva Vasana. You forget. What did he say? Krishna Seva. They have to serve to Krishna. Krishna Seva. Vishwanath Chakravarti, Krishna Seva. Actually, that is also Shraddha. Shraddha means faith. Shraddha sabde Vishwas koi, Shudra Nishchay, Krishna Bhakti kaile, Sarva Karma Krita. When these types of faith will come. But the faith, if will I perform Krishna Bhakti, Krishna Seva, then my life will be successful. By the performing of karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya, austerities, renunciation. I cannot attain my highest perfection. Then, yoga tapasya, then if you practice yoga, then, or tapasya, then austerities, renunciation, what you will get? Do you know? Get some mystic power you can get. Nothing, not more than this. Then mystic power. Then I can show the look people. Then that you have Unima, Laghima, these types of things. And this thing. And you can show the people. Then people will be also. And charm. Oh, he's good sir. And Anima Laghima means is what? Then according to your mystic power, you can become very small and you become your very big, but there is gigantic curiosity. And people will go, oh, what is doing this? And or he is great sadhu. And Bhaktivedanta Swami Maharaj, he wrote on his Bible when he was staying in Calcutta. And that time, one sadhu, naked sadhu, not the sadhu, naked sadhu, completely naked. He was sitting in front of the court, Calcutta High Court, where all the gentlemen are coming, going, that he was naked sadhu. That time judge gave him order, put him in jail. Then police caught him and put in the jail. But when police again returned back that place, he came out from the jail and sitting in there. 4-5 times police caught him and put in the jail. Before police van returned back same place, he came out from the jail. Well, how possible? Well, that is what his mystic power. That is called Hanima Laghima. That means is what? If you practice this type of yoga, asana, then many kinds of you can get these types of mystic power. But bhakti, if you practice bhakti, chant volumes also you can get. But devotees, they don't want to show these things also. They don't want. They don't want these types of understand? They don't want. And even Lord also, he does not want to give these types of mystic power to his pure devotee. Well, how will he? If Krishna will give you, then you will become very proud, puffed up. Then you lose. Then, so for this regard, actually Krishna does not want to give these types of mystic power. What will do this? Ignorance. You may say why? No, but no meaning. Krishna will give, that's called the Parshamani. Parshamani, understand? Or that is called what money? No. Parshamani means trust. Chintamani. 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 What if your desire will come? Fulfill all your desires. What do you want? You want Chintamani, Parsamani, or gems for Inari? What do you want? Chintamani means it. Chinta means your thought. Take your thought. Then fulfill all your desires. And Parsamani means the one kinds of Understood? If you touch the iron transferred in gold. That is called sparshana. Yeah? And another ordinary gems, very valuable. But those who are devotees, they want what things? Yeah? Chintamani. That is called Harinam. Nama Chintamani Krishna Chaitanya Rasa Vigraha. Purna Siddha Nitya Mukto Abhinnatvat Nama Namino. Chintamani. Krishna Nam. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Krishna Krishna. Hare Hare. Hare Rama. Hare Rama. Rama Rama. Hare Hare. So coming in this way, but then first I also explained that there are three purushartha. Dharma, artha, kama, that is called three purushartha. Then mukti, liberation, that is called chaturvarga. And pancha purushartha, that is called Krishna prema. You have then 100 reals. You have 100 reals? No, 50 reals. There are no 100 reals. Huh?
Madana Gopal.
Yeah.
Okay, 10 reals. If you see that one place, the 10 reals you will take. But 10 reals does go. Then 10,000 reals or notes is what? 10 reals. So big bundle. Then again you go. Again see that 20. Then 20 days. 10,000. Then what do you want? You leave the 10 reals notes. Then you take the 20. Then again you also forward some 50 notes. 10,000 again. So what will do? Give up the 20 and again the bundle of 50. Then you will see, again you see what? 100 reals note. 10,000. So what will do? Put that down. That means is what? You leave the less and you take the higher. In the same dharma, artha come. First you accept dharma. Then artha. Then come. Means depending on sensory. Then if you get the mukti liberation, then automatically give up the dharma, artha come. You accept what things? Liberation. Then you see Bhagwan Krishna pray, the highest. Then you give up the four things, dharma, artha, kama, moksha. You will accept which one? Krishna pray. So Pancham Purushartha Krishna pray. That means Krishna, he will give you what Krishna pray. Krishna kahe ama bhaje mage visay sukh. Ami nikkoi murkhe visay kena dibo. Sachanam mriti diyatare visay bhulaibo. Chaitanya Charitamrita Krishna Das Kaviraj Goswami explains. Krishna says, my devotee worship to me. And they ask me mundane things. Dharma, artha, kama, moksha. Krishna says, why you will give these things, useless things? I will give him highest thing, that is called prema. So saying, Krishna kahe ama bhaje mage visay sukh. Krishna kahe, Krishna says, my devotee worship to me and ask material things. Wife, children, house, money, these things. But all these material things is what? Giving the distress and unhappiness. In the beginning, little bit happiness will come, but the people are running. Understand? But finally give the distress and unhappiness. Actually, this is called as like Jatha Kundarasameva. Dharma Artha Kama look like as like the skin disease. You know? Skin disease coming. Small disease coming on the skin. Then that time what comes? So much itching comes. When you are itching, then you are feeling very happiness. So much many hot, very hot, and that is small is coming. That time you want to skip. If you not feel, cannot tolerate, sometimes then you tolerate. When it is scratching, that time you are very happy. But after a couple of seconds, then many kinds of pulse, blood coming. That time very difficult. So Srimad Bhagavatam gives this evidence. Jatha kundu rasa vivo. Dharma, artha, kama. Dharma, artha and kama. These four things, that is called Trivarga, is as like kundu rasa vivo. Understand? Quickly. Skin, so much skin. You have sometimes or not?
In India. In India.
Here also sometimes when we are going to the very hot, bathing, or sarvada, are you going to up? North time going. Okay, I think so many also.
Heat rash.
Heat. Then you. Even my head also. Sometimes putting the powder. But that time why is it? Because this is the dharma, artha, kama as like skin disease and scratching. But finally also comes unhappiness, distress. But man and bull, they cannot understand these things. They have. So Krishna says in this verse, Krishna kahe, Ami Viggo. I am intelligent. Or the devotee is completely what? Foolish, murkha. He is saying this. Krishna kahe, Ami Viggo. Krishna kahe, Ama bhaje, maje visayasum. Ami Viggo in murkhe, visay kyano diva. Sachanam mrite diya tare, visay kulai. So Krishna says, I will give my highest brain, Krishna brain. Then he will forget the dharma, artha, kama, moksha. He will find. But no need. Understand? You want. But here, okay, if money will come, their money serves to Guru and Krishna. That money is good. And if that money you enjoy for your sense gratification, then you will go hell and suffer in the Naraka. How to use the money? Money used for Krishna Seva or money used for your own sense gratification. You have no money? Who has no money? You want money? You want money. But if money will come, what you do? You go to the pub, drink the alcohol. Mariana, ganja, This is true. But this guy says, no, I will not give you. Chant holiness. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. This is true. Krishna is very tricky. Krishna, for this regard, Krishna does not want to give. Because Krishna knows he will be your misused. Understand? He said, oh, I am doing bhajan, why Krishna is not giving? Why Krishna is giving money? Because Shastra saying, Nama Chintamani, if you chant holy names, all kinds of desire, all kinds of desire. So why not money come? Huh? Are Krishna giving little money? That money also you not properly use. Huh? Sometimes money is coming, what do you do? Ask yourself. Some person you also misuse. Huh? Misuse or not? You try to understand. Ask yourself. Huh? You ask yourself. And Krishna will give you a lot of money. You cannot. So Krishna, he knows. Or take little. Take little, do bhajan. Don't drink alcohol to be nonsense rascal. So Krishna knows. I will give you money to him. Then he will be your misuse. Misuse or not? You are thinking now, but you will misuse. Because Krishna, he knows. He is our ever well. You cannot blame to Krishna. You can't blame to Krishna. Krishna, he is our supreme. Well, he is our ever well. So for the little giving. Okay, this money I am giving. You do maintain your life and chant your name. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. So never blame to Krishna. You do bhajan and sadhana. And only thing, Krishna, he is my ever well. Listen, try to understand. Do bhajan and sadhana. If you get money, you will build temple. You will serve to Vaishnava? No. They will serve to dog. You will buy one very nice, beautiful dog. 10,000 reais you spend and buy one dog in your house. Try to understand, this is true. Now, but I am not saying about Tulsidas Ramcharit also saying. Sometimes we explain this Hindi katha, you cannot understand Hindi. For this regard, I just explain this. Kutta money. They spend the money for their nourishment, their dog. God seva, God seva. They got dog and God opposite one. D-O-G. G-O-G. Opposite one. This is what. Dog or God. Don't say that I am not saying this thing. You cannot blame to me. Do not complain to me. The Tulsidas Ramcharit Manas he explained this. Tamsa dekho, kali ka tamsa dekhe. Look how this kali is doing. So Lord is saying, tato dukkha prahitam. So now coming in this way, just I also explain to you this way. ये ब्रह्मांड भर के कोनो भगवान जी गुरु कृष्ण प्रसादे पाय भक्ति लता बीज माली नैया से बीज करे आरोपण श्रवण कीर्तन जले कर वशीकरण. Those are very extreme fortunate entities. They will receive Harinam Diksha from Guru and to bhajan and sadhana. So that is called the Krishna Seva Vasana. He has to serve Krishna. Krishna Seva Vasana. Yesterday I told. Conditioned soul, they have no serve to Guru and Krishna. They are nature to serve through Maya, Maya Seva. Maya Seva, you want to serve Maya. But Guru and Krishna, very merciful. And giving these types of desire in your heart, have to serve Krishna. So saying Krishna kahe, Ama kahe, Brahmanda Bhuti Kuna Bhagavaji, Guru Krishna Prasad, Bhakti Lata Beach. So Bhakti Lata Beach, two meanings I used to say. What is that? Lilananda. What the Bhakti-lata means? Two meanings I told. The seed of Bhakti. Bhakti-lata. One is called Shraddha, faith, and another is called Krishna Seva. Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami explained that is called Shraddha. Shraddha Sabdi Vishwas Kaye, Shudhira Nishchay, Krishna Bhakti Kaile, Sarva. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained Bhakti-lata being the seed of Bhakti-lata, that is called Krishna Seva. Remember this, don't forget. Shraddha Sabde Vishwas Kai Shudhira Nishchay Krishna Bhakti Kaile Sarva Karma Krita. But what is the Shraddha? Faith. Shraddhastu Anannapayo Varjanam Bhakti Mukhi Chitta Vitti Vishesa. Shraddha faith means give them all kinds of activities, karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Only Krishna. This type of faith will come. If I serve to Krishna, then my life will be successful. Shraddha Sabde Vishwas. Shraddha Sabde Vishwas. Shraddha means firm faith. You want the firm faith? If I serve to Krishna, then my life will be successful. I will not practice karma, jnana, yoga, tapasya. Only practice Krishna Bhakti. Then my life will be Shraddha Sabde Vishwas Vai Shudhira Nishchay Krishna Bhakti Kaile. Yeah, Bhakti will seva only to whom? Krishna. Here Krishna means those are related to Vaishnava, Guru, Tulasi, Ganga. This is related with Krishna. If you worship Tulasi, Tulasi Seva, that is Krishna Bhakti or not?
Yes.
Because I told only Krishna. Here only Krishna means those are related with Krishna Samandhya Vastu. Because Tulasi, she is very near and dear of Krishna. Tulasi Sevan, what is it called? Suddha Bhakata Charanare Bhajana Anukula Bhakata Seva Parama Siddhi Premlati Karamula Tulasi Dekhi Churayo Prano Madhavato Sano Jani Bhakata Charanare Tulasi dekhi judaya pran. Madhava to Sanjaya. Just to see the Tulasi. Then Krishna is very pleased with it. Tulasi Seva. 8 types of Tulasi Seva. Offering water. That is called Tulasi Japa. Offering water, Tulasi. That is called also Tulasi Seva. To take darshan Tulasi. Very nice, beautiful. Tulasi. This is also Tulasi Seva. Understand? Sparsan. You touch the Tulasi tree. Also this is called Tulasi Seva. Darshan, Sparsan. Pranam. You pay your obeisances. Tulasi. This is called Tulasi Seva. You do parikrama, circumambulated Tulasi. That is called Tulasi Seva. Glorification about it. Vinde namaste charanara vindam. Vinde namaste charanara vindam. Vinde namaste charanara vindam. Vinde namaste charanara vindam. Tulasi Stuti. Vrindadevi Ashtakam. If you recite the Vrindadevi Ashtakam, this is also called Tulasi Seva. And Krishna, this is also related with Krishna. So don't you think only Krishna Seva, I will not serve Tulasi, Vaishnava, Guru. You cannot say. Krishna Seva means those who are related with Krishna. And like Ma Dasoda, she serves to Krishna. which have Vatsalya Bhava.